Okay, I thought I'd bring attention to this other problem that these aftermarket quarter skins anyway have. On the rear, I noticed this with my white 73 and corrected it, but you can see how this light just doesn't fit. Their stampings are, they're not perfect, so you got to trim these areas. So what I'm going to do is trim those tabs so they fit in between the two lights there. These are just marker lights. And then I'll probably have to trim the hole so the cover, this cover here, will fit properly, because right now I'll show you, it's sitting off to the side. Well, it's not bad right now, but when you put the light in there, it just doesn't fit properly. So yeah, I'll show you what I mean on the other side here. Of course, I put the light away. So that's what I've done. Cleaned it up anyway, and show you what I did here. So there's the holes that I've kind of hogged out. Doesn't look pretty, but it's not holding anything. And then I've had to hog these holes out as well, just to move it to the side a bit, so everything lines up in the hole here. So anyway, that's another little tip for anybody doing a car like this. Adios.